Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Realme 16 Pro, and now I can show you how to customize always on display on this device. At the very beginning, before customizing, we should enable it. To do that, we should open Settings, then scroll a bit down and find Home Screen, Lock Screen, Settings, Customization. Now scroll a bit down and find here Always on Display. Click this button, then enable it, and now you can customize it. For example, you can use customized BitEmoji or some custom patterns. For example, click Done, apply color, lock your screen, and as you can see, now we have Always on Display. That's it. Hope you like this video. Please consider to leave me a like and a comment below. See you.